My name is Karina Jensen, and I'm 16 years old, and I live in Copenhagen, in Denmark. And I want to make videos with my best friend Victoria Bonnevie. She's a little bit crazy, but she's okay. And I want to tell a lot about friendship with these videos we want to make, and love. And of course we want to present ourselves, and you will know about it later. In this, yes, and I have a little mascot, my best friend, no, my best teddy, of course. And yes, now it's Christmas time, so we have to spend it with a lot of fun and be together like always. So just go crazy. Yeah, and I love Jason McCartney, and Enriquez. He has a lot. He has a lot wonderful voice. Yes, and then we hope you will enjoy it a lot. So